Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a full face of products that I hate, as you can tell from the title. I really want to like these products, but I just do not. So let's get started. Let's prime first, and I tried to like this Milk Makeup Blur Stick, but it like does nothing. But I just feel like I don't know how to use it, or I use it correctly and I just don't like it. I also thought it might like fill in your pores because I mean it's supposed to blur you out, right? So after priming, we're gonna go into the Marc Jacobs Genius Gel Foundation in the color Golden Medium. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but I did get tanner. And if you watched my TJ Maxx video, you know that this thing did not really work out. Honestly, this looks too light. Dang it. I can never get anything right. Wow, is it that bad? Oh my gosh. How tan did I get? This is not good. I look like peanut butter baby. I don't know if I can do this video anymore. What the heck? Let me look. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's really bad. It's so bad. Wow. All right, so it's actually not looking that bad, like the finish of it, but the color I know looks horrendous. I'm so sorry. Anyways, the next thing that I do is concealer. I used to really like this, and then I started not liking it because I was starting to notice that it was getting cakey. Oh my gosh, this was when I was super pale too. Dang it. Like my neck is a different color than my face, and I'm so white. I think I hate this foundation so much because it looks so olivey. You know how my skin kind of looks green up here? The concealer shade is in Light Sand. Okay, after this concealer, we're gonna go into Derma Blend. And this is a loose setting powder, but I use it and it's like so drying. Another thing that I'm noticing with the Marc Jacobs foundation is that it doesn't pick up on the nose really well. And I don't bake, I just like press everything into my skin. Wow, I look so different than my neck. So anyways, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I got this like freshman year of high school and I still have it. Like I keep everything. I'm a makeup hoarder. But anyways, this thing, I don't like it because it dries up so fast. I feel like it's so pigmented, like too pigmented for my eyebrows. Okay, so I just use my hair dryer on warm to heat this up so it's more like smooth. Yeah, so just the fact that you have to do that, I don't like that. I'm super nervous because I haven't used this in a while and it's super intimidating. So pigmented. I feel like I'm painting. Like there's so much product on this. You know what? I really like my brows right now. That's crazy. I think I re-like this product, or I never liked it, but I'm liking it. The next thing is eye primer. This is not one of the best eye primers ever. This is a 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer, and let me tell you, it creases. It's too watery. It's not really tacky. This is so hard to get on because it doesn't stick anywhere. It just slides with you. I mean, that looks terrible. Can y'all tell? And y'all know I love Too Faced. Like, I love their packaging and I always be using their palettes. So I'm not a Too Faced hater. I just don't like this eye primer. So today I'm going to be using the Tarte's Clay Play palette. That's a tongue twister. I mean, I got this because it was so pleasing to the eye, but it's very chalky, let me just say that, and it's not very pigmented. All right, so I'm gonna do my base and I'm gonna use Solstice. Oh, do you guys see where like the eye primer stopped and then like my skin? Also, if you heard that rumbling, that's normal. I don't know if that happens to any of y'all. There's a random rumble and it shakes like your whole house. Let me know if you know what that is because it's kind of scary. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing a color in the crease, and I'm just gonna go with Ember. It's super hard to blend out because it's so chalky. All right, now I'm gonna use sand to like blend out the edges. Okay, adding that made it like more gray toned. Okay, next I'm gonna use smoke in like the outer V just to add some dip, and then bringing it into my crease a little bit too. I'm gonna go back with Ember because I feel like I could add more shadow right here. Let me pack Solstice a little bit back on into the inner parts of my eye. Let me do the under eye. I'm gonna put Ember in the lower lash line. The next product is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is not what everybody hypes it up to be. It weighs it down so much, and like it won't let my lashes curl throughout the day. Like it'll just fall back. It does make your lashes like longer and fuller looking, but like your lashes just will not curl. This is the City Color Contour Effects palette, and I do not like this because the contour color is way too red. I used to use this all the time because this was 10 bucks at the flea market. I was just using it because I was like starting to get into like full face makeup instead of just like my eyes. And yeah, I bought this and it was good for a while. Like I thought I knew what I was doing, but secretly it was like super red right there. Wait, let me get the brush that I used to use too. Okay, so I used to use this Real Techniques contour brush. I don't contour anymore. Yeah, we're just gonna be the old Kathy for a second. Oh my gosh, this takes me back in time though. Imagine seeing me do that now. Like, that is such a disgrace. It's so bad. It's just so pigmented too. Nothing's my color today. Okay, so yeah, you can tell, super muddy, super pigmented. I mean, that's not a problem. I should just dipped in once, but it also looks super pinky. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna be using the Benefit What's Up. That's such a cute name, What's Up highlighter stick, and it's like a creamy one. And let me tell you, it's not that creamy. It's not that creamy, and there's like no pigmentation. I think back in the day, Lustre Lux Katie, she used to use this, but like, I don't know. I'm not convinced. I don't see anything when I put this on. Okay, what the heck? I'm noticing a glow. Oh, maybe that's just the lighting. I don't know. But dang girl, I think this works. What the heck? Okay, Benefit. I think I'm gonna start using this more. I kind of like it. And I'm having a fun time putting this on. Okay, but let's re-look at the eye primer. Do you see this area right here? And this area? And this area? It looks so bad. I was gonna do lashes in this video, but I'm too lazy to put on lashes, so we're gonna move on to the lip color. And this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. The tea on this lipstick is that I really like that it picks up on my dead skin, and I'm probably exposing myself right now, but I don't really like this just because it's not that pigmented. I swear to you, I don't know if you can tell, but it's very streaky, and right now on the camera it looks super like berry red, but when I put it on, it's like a plummy color. Super weird. But anyways, next product, which is kind of surprising, the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I don't think it really works. I don't think it leaves your makeup on staying all night like it says, and I haven't used this in a while, so I might be wrong. Oh, and the smell, I don't really like the smell, but everybody loves this setting spray, so I'm like, I wish I loved it too. A lot of the things that I do not like, I wish I did. I don't know if anybody else feels the same way. Like, I always like to like things. I wish I could like everything, but sometimes you can't force it. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming this actually. This is actually fun. And comment down below, if y'all even get this far in the video, comment down below what I should film, because sometimes I be in a rut, so throw some ideas at me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.